Good morning, Viva Sanjang. Today is 24th. I am near Sangolda Panchayat. From childhood we used to enjoy here for Sanjang. This is the first time in 2025. So they have not organized Sanjang here because the management, nobody is there anymore. All are past. Also kids are not interested. Everyone is busy in their gaming, mobile, career. आणि झर ही आताची न्हू, ही खूप पोन्नी झर. इतके वर्सां जाली हांगासर सांजांव सेलिब्रेट जाताले फॉर फर्स्ट इयर 2025. नाल्यार हांगासर ब्लॉक करताले उदीक हाडून, उदीक बरें हांगा मेरेन ते स्टेप्सा मेरेन भरताले, ते बरे उडकी घालताले लोक हांगाल्यान सगळे. फर्स्ट इयर आतां हे करूंक ना सांजांव. Let's go to Sholim and experience the real vibe.